name is Shunsuke Ohnishi, an associate professor of Hokkaido University in Japan, and this is Dr. Momoko Tsuda, our first author of this study. First of all, we'd like to thank Endoscopy for giving us the opportunity to present our paper entitled Preventive Effect of Mesenchymal Stem Cell Culture Supernatant on Luminal Stricture after Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection in the Rectum of Pigs. So Dr. Tsuda, would you please explain what you did in this study and what was your motivation?
We had two reasons to do this study. First, whether the stricture occurs after large ESD in the colorectum is controversial in the clinical situations, so we wanted to clarify the luminal stricture develops after large ESD used in pigs. Second, we've been focusing on mesenchymal stem cells because they can secrete a variety of anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic factors, and we thought that mesenchymal stem cell culture supernatant might be effective for the prevention of the luminal stricture after circumferential ESD. So we made a gel from mesenchymal stem cell culture supernatant and applied it after circumferential ESD in the rectum and investigated its effect macroscopically and histologically.
So what was the outcome and why is it important?
The luminal stricture after circumferential ESD occurred only in the rectum but not in the distal colon in pigs. This may be explained by the differences in myofibroblast activation and fiber accumulation, followed by fibrosis in submucosa and hypertrophy in the muscle layer. In addition, enema of mesenchymal stem cell culture supernatant gel prevented the luminal stricture after circumferential ESD, possibly through inhibiting the acute inflammatory reaction after ESD. We think this result is important for preventing stricture after ESD of large colorectal tumors. Some patients needed to dilate colon with endoscopic balloon dilation or steroid treatment for the following surveillance endoscopy examination. Because we believe that the large colorectal ESD is a key technology in the GI tract and will be performed at much larger scale in the future, we hope with these findings, endoscopists could perform more ESD of large colorectal tumors without being afraid of lowering patients' quality of life due to development of strictures.
So what are the next steps?
We believe that the next steps of our studies are to translate to humans with further studies including clinical trials.
Thank you, Dr. Tsuda. From this study, we concluded that luminal stricture occurred only in the rectum of pigs, not in the distal colon, and enema of mesenchymal stem cell culture prevented luminal stricture formation after ESD, possibly by inhibiting acute inflammatory reaction. Thank you.